Another RetroJunkie.net exclusive. I know what you're thinking, not the LC475. There's no need to worry. What we're doing today, or tonight rather, is testing a few little gadgets I got in the mail. We're going to finish off giving these micro drives a whirl, and we're also going to try the SD card adapter and just some good old-fashioned PCMCIA flash memory. So yeah, we'll see what results we get. First and foremost, I'm going to try formatting just a regular old-fashioned SD card, not HC variety, just SD. It just fits in the adapter, and the adapter is as flush as the compact flash adapter, which was very good. So let's have a looky at what we've got on here. Lido. It's a brand of lemonade here in Australia. It's pretty bad. Rather 7-Up. So using this, hopefully it'll see the SD card. Let's see, formatted. Okay, let's format it. No worries. Format failed. Excellent. It keeps asking the same question and I'm stuck in a loop. I'm going to try formatting that flash drive with a real Mac, just as macOS extended. See what happens. Maybe change the partition type. I don't know. We'll be back. I don't know, I just don't like that Lido software. So I've gone back to HDT Primer, Personal Edition. And we're formatting not the SD card, I've switched over to the 256 meg PCMCIA card, because I don't know if it's the SD card or the crappy software. But right now this screen is familiar. It was giving me some errors about not being able to format again, because I pressed partition first, because the first time I remember getting the compact flash card working, I pressed partition from a menu, not from the buttons on the side. I'm sure they do exactly the same thing though. And in doing that I found that it worked, whereas pressing format just seems to give errors. If you press partition, it seems to do some tests and blinks the light green sometimes, or solid green. It's all good. It's like it's blinking really fast, so fast you can't interpret with your eyeballs that it is going really fast. But I'm just going to let that run for a while and we'll see where we end up. So 256 meg card, not bad, not bad. I think the compact flash solution is a bit better, because you can change it out. Ideally what I'm going to be able to hopefully do is image the compact flash cards, then be able to write them onto other things, essentially having a backup. Yeah, so we'll be back once this finishes, if it does. It's interesting, I had to give it a restart and then chose partition from the file menu. No, not partition, initialize. And then it gave me the option for a partitioning method and started doing some things. It's stopped working though, so that was increasing in number. Now it's just stopped. I'll leave it for a while, see what happens. Fingers crossed. Well, we went back to the SD card. I tried two different SD cards of differing sizes. We've got a 2 gig standard SD card and a 128 meg, neither of which have worked. All I'm able to get is NA and NA for volume and capacity. So gonna flick back over to the micro drives and the compact flash cards. They seem to be the best way to do it since compact flash worked. So I might have a play around with this this card a bit more. I'll report back with how it goes, because I wasn't able to get it to go any further than it did, which is why I switched back to the SD cards, hoping that they would be future-proofed, but apparently not. So let's give the ATA flash disk card a go, see how we end up. As I expected, it did get further on the second try, up to sizes of 17 blocks before hanging. So that's using the 256 meg PCMCIA flash card. So I'm going to try the micro drives now and just see how they go. Maybe they'll have a bit more luck. I know we definitely had luck with the compact flash card at some point, or it wouldn't have a copy of macOS 7 on it. System 7. Mac OS, because it's 7.6. So let's get back to it, kids. Back to work or school. Stay in school. Well, I just found an easy way to format the 256 meg card. I haven't actually formatted it yet, but it certainly looks like it'll work. So you get this window open, it tells you the capacity, there's no volume though. Go either initialize or partition from the menu there. I think partition is the one I wanted. Oh no, yeah, this one works because then it... So we go maximum Macintosh. Then when you see this, not this screen, not this screen, this screen, transfer loops. And it ticks over to actually testing, just do command period. Abort it. And then it initializes the disk. At least that's what it better be doing. We'll come back once it's done. Alright, so I rebooted again. Let's try our partition drive. This really doesn't do the testing block thing. New volume, that's a good name for it. Size, make it bootable. 250 meg. We're done. Give it the ultimate test, just stick a system folder on there. This is a very good boot disk. It's recognized as System 8, which means, well, it's bootable on any, apparently any 040, actually might just be any 68K Mac within reason, obviously. Let's give it a good old-fashioned restart. Love that auto eject. Well, it's reading the flash disk. Yeah, whatever. No, it's not a floppy disk. So there you have it. We are booted up to the disk. Shut that down. So the only way to get a legit copy of System 7 on there, or 8, be either to find a PC to copy the files over across, which would probably be easier, or crack out the old floppy disks again and do a system install onto this, which I'm not too keen on, I'll be honest, but good to know it works if I ever need it. So thanks for watching. Might have a future update on the SD card and the micro drives if I can get it worked out. If not, don't hold your breath. It might take a while. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.